And we are back with more Rebuild 2. So we're gonna continue on where we left off. So yeah. So we're gonna reclaim this area. We've almost reclaimed this entire city. So yeah, we're pretty much almost done. There you go. Alright. I actually did see some fan art of Daphne and Fred. It's a pretty canon ship, which I like. I support that ship. Some people were saying that Velma is, lesbian, and it is possible she could be, but we're not really sure. I know articles have been talking about making, Velma lesbian, but I'm not really 100% sure too much on the whole thing, but it's a mystery, I guess. There we go. So, yeah. I've been wanting to do a Scooby-Doo fanfiction. I just haven't done one in a long time. So I'm gonna try and see if I could find the time to do it. I just can't guarantee it because I've been really busy with, a lot of things that have been happening. So, yeah. I wish somebody would make fan animations of my persona. That would be really awesome. I mean, I could commission someone to do it, but it'd be expensive because, yeah, sometimes commissions, when you commission people like art or stuff like that, it can get expensive. And I know some people do that for a living, and sometimes they can be expensive due to that, which it is completely understandable that, some people live off of, commissions like that. So, yeah, I can understand, why some of the prices may be a little, expensive. Like, there are some, I do commission art to pause sometimes, but I don't really do that too much. I only do it when I have the money. And, right now well, the day I'm recording this, right now, I'm I don't have the money, unfortunately, to do the things that I want to do. But I'm hoping that once things get better, then I could do a lot more. Okay. But yeah, Saber Raccoon is definitely very messed up in the head. And the fact that he framed Space Trucker for pedophilia, it's just really fucked up. Like, Saber really needs to get off the internet. Honestly, he does. I hope he gets the help, but I doubt he's going to get help, especially with his behavior and all that, you know. But yeah, let me recruit these guys. So far, so good. But yeah. So I'm not sure what game I'm going to be playing after Rebuild 1 and 2. I'm probably going to play the third one. Well, after I done, I'm probably going to play the third game. I wonder if the third game is similar to this or something. I'm not too sure, but I kind of always wondered about it because, sometimes nobody tells me anything about certain things, and it is really a pain in the ass, to be honest. Like, I've been blocked by people for no reason. Like, sometimes when I try to reach out to them and apologize, they deny my apology. So, I mean, I kind of expect that, but, I'm not sitting there and complaining or anything. Everybody has a choice to forgive people. There you go. So we're just gonna reclaim everything. There we go. Another ending. Okay, another ending. And now for the ultimate ending. Well, one of my favorite endings, actually, is the Last Judgment. So, yeah. So let's try again. Let's try this. Okay, so we're almost done. There we go. Okay, so that was Rebuild 2. Very fun game. I enjoy it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time.